Have you heard about Grok AI? Grok? The one everyone was using? It is no longer free. But listen, there is another one.
Another one? Better than Grok?
Completely free, and it works even better.
You are lying. I am serious.
I heard that she's leaving him for the gardener. The gardener! I cannot believe it.
Hey, leave that food alone. Today you will not eat my cooking, I swear. Look at you. The chickens are winning. Where is Auntie Debbie? Auntie Debbie! Come and show us this new AI tool. Auntie Debbie! Auntie Debbie!
Ever since Grok ended its free plan, I've been searching for another free AI tool that works just or better than Grok. And guess what? I have finally found another free AI tool that you can use or that can replace Grok. And that is what I use to generate these AI videos you are currently watching. Now I'm going to take you through this AI tool and how to use this AI tool step by step. Now before I show you how to use this particular AI tool, I want you to watch these two videos that I use the same AI tool we're going to discuss in this video to generate. When you are done, I'm going to take you through the entire process step by step.
Alimo, you and Sheila must get the babies ready. The elders are coming for them.
Mama, it will not happen.
Well, I hope you like the video you just watched. Now let me take you through how to use this AI tool step by step. Now the AI tool I've been talking about all this while is no other tool than the YouTube AI tool. This is a new AI tool YouTube recently released and is good. Very good. I'm going to show you how to use this particular AI tool. Now we're going to use our phone to do that. So take your phone and then open to your YouTube app. This is a YouTube app. You see we have home, short, and then the plus sign in the middle, plus subscription, and then your icon. We are going to click on the plus sign in the middle. Okay, so this icon, the plus icon in the middle. Come to the top where we have this Gemini sign here or icon here. Tap on it like this. That is the AI tool we are going to use. Now when you open to this interface, you're going to see create video, make me move, photo to video, background, and then music. Now when you tap on the create video, what you can actually use this feature to do is to convert your text to video. Okay, when you come to photo to video, what this means is that you can convert your photo to video. So you're going to try 3 of these features here. That's the text to video, text to image, and then photo to video. We're going to try all these features to see how best we can use them to create our videos. Okay, so we're going to try the image generation tool and we'll need a prompt to do that. So I've generated a couple of prompts with ChatGPT. So let's go to ChatGPT and then copy some of the prompts I generated with ChatGPT and try that. So I'm going to copy this prompt and then go to YouTube. The only thing about this AI playground is that whenever you minimize it, it will exit the page. So make sure whenever you start a project here, you end it before you exit the page. Okay, so we're going to click on the plus sign again and then click on the Gemini icon at the top here. Then enter the prompt we just copied with ChatGPT. Here, we're going to tap on it like this. Okay, so let's see. The prompt is here. So we're going to hit on the generate button to see what this AI tool will generate for us. So let's see. Okay, so this was a text to video feature we just tried. I thought it was an image. I didn't really check, but this is a text to video feature we just tried, and you can see the outcome. Let me play it for you to see.
You knew this would happen. You ignored the warnings and now we all pay the price. That is not true. I did what I thought was best for everyone here. You knew this would happen. You ignored the warnings and now we all pay the price. That is not true. I did what I thought was best for everyone here.
So how do you see this feature? I think it's cool, right? Yeah, I love it. The day I discovered it, I was so much happy about it. So what I'm going to do is to click on the download button here to download it. One thing I like about this AI tool is that right from here, you can click on the next button to publish it as a short to publish on your channel. Okay, so I like the fact that you can just publish it from here. Okay, all right, now we're going to try the photo to video feature and see how it works. So with the photo to video, I've generated a couple of images with ChatGPT. So we're going to try the images we generated with ChatGPT plus the video prompt to see the outcome of the video. So let's go back to ChatGPT and copy one of our video prompts. Okay, so I already have this image in my gallery. So I'm going to copy the video prompt attached to this particular image prompt. We have it. It's a long video. So we are going to break it into 2 or 3 to see what this YouTube AI will do for us. So I'm going to copy this one and go back to the YouTube AI playground like this. And then hit on the photo to video feature like this. Then I'm going to look for that photo, this particular photo. Now, one thing I noticed about this particular AI tool is that it generates the images and the videos in portrait form. That's for short purposely. So if your images are in a landscape format, it will first convert it into a portrait format, and you might miss some elements. So in generating your images, try and generate the images in the portrait form before you import it here to generate your videos. Okay, so it has finished analyzing the video, and these are some of the suggestions it provided. If you like, or you just want to give it a try, you can use any of these suggestions to generate your video. But if you already have your own prompt, then you can use that. So I'm going to use my own prompt to do that. I have about 3 or 4 dialogues. I'm not sure it can be able to capture all, but let's see whether it can be able to capture everything. So we're going to hit on the generate button and wait for the feedback.
Hey, leave that food alone. Today you will not eat my cooking, I swear. Look at you. The chickens are winning.
Okay, so I hope you see how well it was able to animate this particular video, and I'm really happy. I'm in love with this particular AI tool. Okay, so in case you don't like it, you can click on the try again button to generate again, or to create the video again. But if you like it, then you click on the 3 dots at the top here before you go back, because whatever you generate here doesn't save in any history. So you need to first save your project before you move from here. So click on the save to device button to save that on your device. If you also feel like exporting it as short, you can go ahead and click on the continue button here like this to publish it right from here to your short feed. Now, one thing I also noticed that you can also edit your video. So this video actually comes with a watermark. So if you want to do away with the watermark on it, you can easily do that before you publish it. Now let's try another example again to see whether we are going to get another good result just like the previous one. So we're going to go back to ChatGPT and then go through our prompt, our video prompt, and select one plus the corresponding image to generate our next video. Okay, so we're going to copy this video prompt. We are going to copy forward dialogues to see whether it can be able to capture everything. So let's go back to the YouTube AI playground to give it the next try. So click on the plus sign and then click on the icon at the top. Then click on photo to video feature. We are going to select the photo we want to convert. So this is a particular photo we are going to convert into a video. So let's wait for it to finish suggesting. You cannot generate your video if it doesn't finish analyzing the image. Okay, so whether you have a prompt or not, you have to first wait for the AI to finish analyzing your image. So we have a small curious monkey reaches out to touch their beads. Bright yellow flower petals begin to shower over the scene. The woman at the right exclaimed, "You will not believe it." Okay, so it has a lot of suggestions here. We are going to ignore all and enter our own prompt here. Now we're going to hit on the generate button and let's wait for the outcome.
Do you know what happened this morning? What is it? They said he was seen leaving her house at dawn. Wait, are you serious?
Wow, this came out very nice and I like it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to click on the download button. Just click on the 3 dots here and then click on save to device button and save it. Assuming you don't want to publish it on short instantly, but you want to use your own editing app like CapCut or other things to edit, I'm going to show you how to deal with this watermark. So now that we have finished generating some videos here, we are going to put everything together using any editing app of our choice. So we're going to use CapCut to do that. So open to CapCut, then click on New Project. Select all the videos you want to put together in CapCut. So let's assume these are the videos I want to merge on CapCut. I'll select everything and then click on the Add button down here. Tap on it like this to import or to CapCut. It will automatically arrange all the video clips on your timeline for you. But assuming you don't like the arrangement and you feel like rearranging it, you can go ahead and just pick the video, lift it and drop it wherever you want to drop it. Okay, so just pick it and then you lift it and drop it wherever you want to lift it. I hope you can see how I'm moving it. I long pressed on it or long tap on it and then held it on the screen to drop it wherever I want it to drop. Now the issue I have is the watermark beneath or under the video. Okay, you can see the watermark. Let me see if I can zoom if I can zoom it for you to see. So this is a watermark, tiny watermark down here. So to deal with this watermark, we are going to apply an effect to the video. So just come to the down part here where we have stickers. Going to tap on the sticker button here, then go to the stickers and pick any of these stickers you want to use. But I think I prefer the like button sticker here. This one I can do with this one. Now, after you finish selecting the sticker you want, click on the correct sign here and then apply it on your video. Now, we're going to reposition it to where we have the watermark. So just tap on it and then drag and drop it on your watermark. Okay, since all the videos are the same size and you also have the watermark at the same spot or the same position, there's no need for you to apply these stickers individually. All you have to do is to extend the one you added on the first clip to all the clips. Okay, so just select it like this. That's the subscribe button we added. Just tap on it and then drag it to the right till you fill the entire space. So that's it. We are done. Now you cannot see any watermark again. You can even delete the CapCut watermark. Just select that clip containing CapCut and click on the delete button here to delete it. Now you are free. Your video is completely yours. You have full authority over this video. Okay, so when you're done and you feel like adding any other thing, you can go ahead to add. But the purpose of this video is to introduce you to this particular AI tool and how to use this particular AI tool. Cool, right? Since you like it, the next thing you're going to do is to click on the export button to export the video to your device. Go ahead and publish it on any of your social media platform and then come back and share your experience with that. Have you ever used the YouTube AI playground before? Go ahead and share your experience with us in the comment section. Have you ever hit a limit before? Because since I started using it, I have no experience any limit yet. Maybe I'm not using it enough. If there is any limitation, let us know that in the comment section. Now, watch the previous video uploaded on this channel if you have not done that, and click on the subscribe button if you want to join my legacy family. Until then, see you in the next video. Bye.